Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're fine and learning too and also playing. I know, but learning with Humail, it's so much fun. So do subscribe me. Let's come on today's lesson. Do you know? Oh, very good. It's letter P. Can you write it? Very good. It's very easy. Now learn the sound of P. P sounds P. Say with me. P. P. Good. Oh, wait. You must practice daily of writing P. Now learn letter P, the root letter, because it's written in last 3 lines. Oh, wow. Now story time. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff out the candle on the pink cake. Oh, it's so much fun. P is a funny letter. Now learn some birds from letter P. Pigeon. It's very cute. Peacock. So beautiful. Parrot. Green parrot. Now learn some animals from letter P. Panda. White, black. Polar bear. White. Penguin. Cute. Oh yes. Now learn yummy fruits from letter P. Papaya. Pear. I love pear. Pineapple. So juicy. Plum. I love plum. Peach. So sweet. Pomegranate. Red. Oh, now it's time to learn some words from letter P. Pencil. I have a pencil. Paper. Don't tear it. Pillows. I have many pillows. Phone. Ring. Oh. Pizza. I love pizza. Pan. Pine cone. Pumpkin. I don't like pumpkin. Pebble. Don't throw it. Oh yes. Now it's your turn. Tell me some new words from P. Thanks for watching. I hope you learn to see more cute, fun videos. Stay connected. Subscribe me.